Detailed explanation of a letter to God. Main characters. 1. Lencho, a poor but hard-working farmer with deep faith in God. 2. Postmaster and post office workers, kind people who secretly help Lencho. 3. God, symbolic, represents faith and hope. Summary in detail. 1. Lencho's life in the storm. Lencho is a simple farmer who depends only on his crops for survival. His house is on a small hill, and he lives with his family. He hopes for rain because his crops need water. Finally, it rains, and he feels happy. But soon, the rain turns into a hailstorm. The hailstones are like silver coins at first, but they destroy his crops completely. Now, he and his family have no food and are in great trouble. 2. Lencho writes a letter to God. Lencho is a man of deep faith. He believes only God can help him. So, he decides to write a letter to God, asking for 100 pesos, money, to survive until the next harvest. He writes, God, if you don't help me, my family will starve. I need 100 pesos to plant my crops again. He puts the letter in an envelope and writes, to God, on it. Then, he goes to the post office and drops it in the mailbox. 3. The postmaster and his kindness. When the postman sees the letter, he laughs and shows it to the postmaster. The postmaster, instead of laughing, feels moved by Lencho's faith. He wants to help Lencho, so he decides to collect money from his employees and friends. However, they can only collect 70 pesos, not 100. Still, the postmaster puts the money in an envelope and signs it as God. 4. Lencho's second letter to God. The next Sunday, Lencho goes to the post office to check for a reply. He is happy to find an envelope with money inside. But when he counts the money, he is angry because it is only 70 pesos, not 100. Lencho is sure that God cannot make a mistake. So, he writes another letter to God, asking for the remaining 30 pesos. But this time, he also writes, God, please send me the rest of the money, but don't send it through the post office, because those people are thieves. Moral and lessons from the story. 1. Faith can be powerful. Lencho had unshakable faith in God, which gave him hope even in tough times. 2. Kindness exists in unexpected places. The postmaster and his employees helped Lencho selflessly, showing that kindness still exists. 3. Misunderstanding can happen. Lencho wrongly mistrusts the post office workers, even though they were the ones who helped him. Conclusion. A Letter to God is a beautiful story that teaches us about faith, hope, kindness, and human misunderstanding. Even when people help us, we might sometimes doubt them. It reminds us to be grateful and have faith in humanity, just like Lencho had faith in God. Would you like a character sketch or a question-answer discussion based on this story?